This house looks like a treasure. The parents are not home tonight.
Goodbye, my dear kids.
Remember to lock the door carefully at home. We will be back tomorrow.
We remember.
Goodbye, Dad. Goodbye, Mom.
Here we are, number 42. Hello, it's the pizza delivery. Anyone home?
I'm coming.
Here is your pizza.
Thank you.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Enjoy your pizza tonight. Wow, it smells so good.
What is that smell, Anna?
It smells like delicious pizza. It's our pizza. Mom and Dad ordered it for us. Let's eat in the living room.
Yes, that sounds nice.
Wow, tomatoes and sausages. Come and eat, Tom. This pizza is so good. Mom and Dad chose the right flavor. I feel lucky today. Everything tastes perfect. After eating, we clean up together.
Yes, Mom always says that.
This house looks like a treasure. The parents are not home tonight. I will take valuable things quietly. First, let me find some food. So many snacks here. I will not buy food tomorrow. These snacks are good. I feel thirsty now.
Tom, do you feel thirsty?
Yes, I do.
Please get some water for me too.
Okay, stay right here.
I will get juice for us. Thank you.
Wait, what are these marks? Mom cleaned the floor before leaving. These are not Dad's shoes. Oh no, I forgot to lock the door. Someone broke into our house. I need to check quietly. Oh no, there is a thief in the kitchen. I must tell Anna. Anna, listen to me.
What is wrong, Tom?
A thief is inside our house.
Oh no. What should we do now?
Stay calm. Let me think. He might come back to the living room. I will call the police.
The kids are watching TV. I will go upstairs now.
He is upstairs. Stay here, Anna.
Be careful, Tom.
I will be quick. Hello? There is a thief inside our house. Please help us. We are very scared.
Stay in a safe place. I am on my way now.
I called the police. Come with me.
Where should we go? Let's hide in this room.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I locked it.
Okay. Let's wait quietly.
There is nothing downstairs. Where is the money?
Whoa. Jewelry and cash.
I am so lucky tonight. I will take everything. No. Oh no. I hear sirens.
This is the house. Let's go inside.
The police are here. The kids called them. I must escape now. Ouch!
What is this? Who put this here?
Stop right there. You are under arrest.
Okay, I surrender.
All right. Get inside slowly.
I am Officer Sam. Kids, come out. It's safe now.
Are you sure?
Yes, you are safe.
We are here. Thank you, Officer Sam.
You were brave to call us.
Huh?
Hiding was the right choice.
Setting traps is not safe. You could get hurt.
I understand. I will not do that again. I'm sorry too. We will be careful.
This bag belongs to your family. Everything is inside.
Thank you very much. We will give it back to our parents.
We will call your parents now. They will come home early.
Thank you, officers.
Goodbye.
This time, I will lock the door for you.
Thank you, Officer Sam.
We won't forget again.
The door is locked now.
Yes, we are safe.
Good night, Tom. Good night, Anna.